Hey guys, it's Mike with Do It Yourself Fix It with the Long Bros. One of my earlier videos I showed where when the water was getting on the floor and how up here on the sunroof that there was a hole up there and a hose went down and went to the bottom of the floor and you cut the little deal. We're still leaking, and so out of my research I found a few other places, and I want to show you how to fix the leak that's on the floor. So I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's wet. You can see that. So what you do, there's a place up here underneath this seal, and it's cracked right here. See how that's loose? That goes right down inside the frame here, where this is meeting with the bottom part of the window to the top part of the frame. And what you do is you get some of this, I'm going to use rubber seal, and I'm going to put it right in here, and then there's right along the crack where it's welded there too. And see how that goes down in there? Well, the water goes down in there too, and it goes right down into here, right into inside here, down onto the floor. So that's not only place that you got to look is where it drains in the drain holes here. It also drains in here, which we didn't know about, which was I'm going to fix that, and I'm going to vacuum the water up. So we'll be doing that. Okay. Hey guys, this is Mike, and this is my 2006 Jeep Commander, and it's got a sunroof, and I've got water problems, and I had a video for y'all before, and I've been doing a little bit of testing, and I'm trying to figure out where this water is coming from. But there's a little module on here, see that right there, and it goes down inside the track. You can see if I pull the molding down, it goes down and then goes inside there. So it goes down that track and then it goes down there. So I'm trying to figure out whether or not it's leaking from in here and going down in there, because that is wet. Right down here is wet. It's coming from somewhere. I just don't know. So I'm going to take the molding off of the base again. It's definitely getting water from somewhere. So I'm going to take this all off, see if I can see where it's coming from. If you watch those other videos, you should know how to take this bottom piece off. Okay guys, I haven't showed you everything, but I don't think I really need to show you everything. You see this little module, it's got a wire that goes down through here, and it's apparently, if you got a wire or anything that water likes to follow these things, it'll just go down there, and whether you know it or not, and whether it might seem like it's not much, it is, and eventually it'll go down. We've had some horrible weather here in the last couple of weeks, snowing all the time, raining all the time, and my floor is flooded, like you noticed. Okay, so apparently, and I've poured water down in the hole here, and it goes right down through the bottom, so I don't believe that's where it's coming from. Look at this little
window shield.
Well, it's a kind of like
window
a
frame.
If you wanted to seal something and you didn't know what to do, you just flap something over there. This looks like that. Look at this little floppy thing here.
There's the windshield.
The windshield's right here, and this covers right on top of that. So that's supposed to keep the water from going down in there.
That needs to be sealed too, Mike.
So I'm going to seal that thing. So I'm going to seal it underneath here with that rubber Permatex. So now let's look.
There's no way that that wouldn't leak. No way.
Earlier I showed, come here, there's a hole here that goes right underneath this. So that wouldn't make any difference out here, would it?
No, it's all made to leak.
So looks like they had put some sealant on here before. This is old stuff.
Yeah, it's
And
just
so they know they've been having a problem with this. So now I'm going to just pour the water. Watch this. I'm just going to pour the water here. Look at that.
it's going right down.
Look at that. It's drenched down in there. Here, look. It's dripped up underneath. See, it went down that wire. Look at that.
Yep.
It's right down that wire. Went right down that wire, dripping inside there. I believe that's what it is.
Well, it has to be. It should not go. The water should not go inside of this seal.
It's following that wire right there.
Well, it's not only that, it's going down through here.
Yeah, I know, but it's really going. You can see it's inside there, right there, dripping down. Beep, 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 beep.
Yeah.
Did you get it? Did you see it on the film?
Yeah, I think so.
Look how wet this is here.
Well, when this is closed, it's supposed to seal where it doesn't do that, but it's going through here and it's going underneath here and also. So you're gonna have to seal.
Look at that. Wire's wet.
So you're gonna have to seal over here and where that wire comes through, and then
You ever had a leak from a ceiling and when it's raining and it just looks like a little drip, but you put a bucket under it and then it, like,
fills that
2
bucket.
hours, it's like a gallon?
Well, there you go. You're gonna have to do a lot of seal.
When the door's closed, you can see that wire separates the seal a little bit, and so the water has no choice. The water is amazing because it's powerful. It's makes everything grow.
Goes to the lowest point.
And it will follow a tiny little string, a thread, down in and cause you problems. Okay, I'm gonna vacuum this water out of here. You can see, look at that, see it? I'm gonna just vacuum it out, and then I got a fan to blow it and dry it. Okay, go ahead.
Go ahead. Turn around.
Okay, I turned where the sun would be the best shooting through the door, so that'll help kind of
A little
dry
bit.
it a little bit. I'm
turn
gonna
the
put
fan
on here.
Okay.
This pad on the bottom is just I don't know what the hell kind of material that is, but it's just soaked, drenched.
Wow. You could have used a big fan. We have big fans.
Well, I didn't know if I was gonna. That's,
We got big fans.
yeah, that's a high speed.
All right, there you go. Got that work for
Closer.
it. Okay, here's what we got. We got a couple different fans on it. It's pretty wet, so we're gonna try to dry it out.
Well, let's see how much water accumulated that we sucked up. Imagine it's gonna be beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Put that crap on my hands. Okay, we've determined that the water goes down this track And hit this thing right here, somebody's made it real weak, and there's a little sealant type thing right there, and it moves out. Water can get behind that, and we don't want it to go down this line in here and follow that in. So we're going to stop it from going in. I'm going to seal it down here, along here, inside of this, make a little line, and have that sealed and stick around there so that water won't go behind that and get down in here and follow this line down inside of here, because water will go down in there and go, I want to follow this little trail. So we're not going to do that.
So you're going to do this too, like around
yes,
this
and
little
up
guy.
Here also, it goes right here, in here, and behind this rubber. Now I don't like the fact that it goes in the rubber, in front of the rubber, or in front of the frame, and then around the rubber and in. If it still leaks, I'm going to probably, I don't want to do it, but I'll probably go and drill a hole through this frame and then plug it up there. But if I can stop it from going down, which I'm going to put some silicone, or some, not silicone, but rubber around this and in front of it, and try to keep it from going down in there. Okay, here we go. So first off, I'm going to go down this line here a little bit first. Of them.
I don't think you need that.
I don't know what I'm gonna need. I'll get two of them, I can have one at least.
Then we'll open the door after you get back.
All right, we're gonna put a second coat on it. And after we do that, then it's supposed to be having some pretty harsh weather next few days here in Klamath. Got like, they say maybe 4 foot of snow even. So we'll see. They're always wrong about that, but so we're gonna put another coat on here. Let's just start down at the bottom of here again. Make sure that there's a kind of we missed a hole in there. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Go right this way. No.
I can see it.
So I gotta make sure I get that hole down in there. That ought to do it.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'll just go back straight up this. Shouldn't take much this time. Nice little bead. Make sure that's got some in there.
I don't think there is. I think there's plenty on that.
I was gonna put some inside here.
I don't think you need it, Mike. If it gets in there, you're screwed. No matter what. If you got it sealed from out here, where it ain't gonna go down in there. Close the door, let's see what you got. What it looks like. Let's try that. Okay, I think so.
Put these gloves on, and I didn't get nothing on them. Okay, guys, I'm gonna see how this goes. We'll let you know. Like I said, we've got some harsh weather coming. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell. I hope this helps you. This piece right here was very loose. It from the window to the, supposed to be blocking the water. I don't think it was blocking anything because it was like real floppy. You saw that. All right, so anyway, like, subscribe, and hit the bell and comment.
Aye.
Let's make a cake. Yeah, let's make a cake. Let's tie our hands down to the tracks. Let's make the world look flat. Let's cut the tongue before they ever learn to sing. Let's burn the homes to warm our hands and plant our flags on foreign lands. Let's leave the fingers and take the ring. Let's make a cake. Yeah, let's make a cake. Well, let's keep one alive to tell the tale. Let's lock the doors with nails. Let's let the necks all snap and let those bodies swing. Let's turn away from all we had before, 'cause we've been promised so much more, and I just can't wait to see what this day brings. Let's make a cake. Yeah, let's make a cake. Let's shine a single beam of light, shine it right up into the sky. Let's make a man into the law of the land and raise him up on high. Let us praise our Lord and Savior and call the votes all in our favor. And anyway, they never really meant a thing. Let's break the unions, choke the schools, and give the press a few hard rules. And then the birds will sing on the bright and blessed spring.